Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is episode 5 of season 1 of Shadowing Practice with Sophia. It's great to have you here, ready for another session of active English practice. Let's keep that momentum going. Listen closely, pause, and repeat, focusing on mimicking my speech as naturally as possible. Today, I want to talk about something that costs nothing but can mean so much: the power of a kind word or a simple smile. In our busy lives, it's easy to overlook the impact these small gestures can have, both on the people who receive them and on ourselves. Think about a time when someone offered you an unexpected compliment or simply smiled at you warmly. How did it make you feel? Chances are it brightened your day, even if just for a moment. A kind word can lift someone's spirits when they're feeling down, offer encouragement when they're facing a challenge, or simply make them feel seen and appreciated. It could be as simple as saying, "Thank you, genuinely," or "You did a great job," or "I appreciate your help." Similarly, a simple smile is a universal language of warmth and friendliness. It can break down barriers, make a stranger feel more comfortable, or diffuse a tense situation. When you smile at someone, you're often met with a smile in return, creating a small, positive connection. It's a beautiful, contagious thing. These acts of kindness don't require a lot of effort, but their positive ripple effect can be significant. They contribute to a more positive environment around us. When we make an effort to be kind, it not only benefits others, but also makes us feel good. There's a certain satisfaction and warmth that comes from knowing you might have made someone else's day a little better. In a world that can sometimes feel a bit rushed or impersonal, taking a moment to offer a kind word or a genuine smile can make a real difference. It's about recognizing our shared humanity and choosing to connect in a positive way. It could be with a family member, a colleague, a shop assistant, or even a stranger you pass on the street. So, I encourage you to look for opportunities today to share a kind word or a smile. You never know how much it might mean to someone or how it might brighten your own day in return. These small acts of kindness are truly powerful. I hope this topic resonates with you and gives you some lovely, positive sentences to practice your shadowing with. You're doing wonderfully with your practice. Keep it up, and I'll see you in episode 6. Bye for now.